Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. This is Teacher Umi. Okay, today we will learn about greatest number. Okay, on our first page, which one is the greatest number in first row? It's number 9. Okay, circle the number 9. Okay, next, second row. Which one is the greatest number? It's number 7. Okay, circle the number 7. Done? Okay, let's proceed to page number 2. For page number 2, you need to complete the number before and after. Okay, let's see at the blue plane first. Okay, what number before 23? It's 22. Okay, write down 22. Okay, next, what number after 23? 24. Okay, write down 24. Okay, next, let's see the pin plate. What number before 25? It's 24. Okay, write down 24. Next, what number after 25? 26. Okay, write down 26. Done? Okay, continue this homework with mommy and daddy. Bye, see you next class.